First, feed different organic waste materials from the loader automatically. Second, mix organic materials evenly and thoroughly. Then, compost the mixed materials in the fermentation area. Our double-wheel compost turner can turn organic materials in 3 meters depth and 30 meters width, which can make compost in 20 days per batch. The loaders delivers the fermented raw materials to the fertilizer production area and puts them into the feeder machine. Step 1. Crush composts into 40 to 60 mash powder for efficient granulation. Step 2. Screen powder composts after crushing primarily. Recrush the large compost lumps after screening. Step 3. Batch fine powder composts as formula requires to make nutrient balanced fertilizer. Step 4. Blend batched composts evenly and thoroughly. After mix can make powder fertilizer for sale directly by packing and palletizing, or granular fertilizer through further processing. Step 5. Convert mixed composts into granular fertilizer. After granulation, polish granules into beautiful and stronger balls with polishing system. Step 6. Remove additional moisture in granulation for anti-caking and hardness improvement. Step 7. Decrease temperature in granulation and drying process to ensure product stability. Step 8. Separate qualified granules for coating to ensure product stability and hardness increasing, while the unqualified will be regranulated. Step 9. Packing coated granules into bags as required specifications. Stack bagged fertilizer granules with smart palletizer system. This organic fertilizer production line is manufactured in strict accordance with international standards.